Hey bakers, welcome back to Le Bon Baker. I'm Nicole and today I'm going to be showing you how to make caramel, and we've just got one ingredient. This can be used for toppings, desserts, add it to fruit, whatever you like. You're not going to want to miss out on this one. I'm going to be cooking the caramel in the microwave, so it's a bit different to some of the other recipes out there for making caramel from sweetened condensed milk, but it's the fastest and easiest way to get her done. Try and find a tall microwavable dish if you can, because we're going to be cooking this in the microwave for about 5 to 10 minutes and we do not want it to spill over the sides, otherwise it's going to be like hot lava, so the taller the better. Pour in the sweetened condensed milk, grab yourself a whisk, and then we'll head over to the microwave. Let's cook this on high for 1 minute and then we're going to give it a whisk. Now make sure you do keep an eye on this while it cooks in the microwave. If it does start to bubble up and if it's heading over to the sides, make sure you press that stop button and just let it reduce back down. After a really quick whisk, we're going to put it back in the microwave in 1 minute increments, and we're going to reduce the temperature to half. So back in we go, and we're going to do this on and off for about 5 to 10 minutes. And what we're going to do is wait until the consistency goes quite mottled and it turns to a yellow color. And we don't want it to go too caramel, because by that time we may have already burnt the mixture. Did you see that? That was insane. It nearly spilled over everywhere. This is why you can't take your eyes off this when it's in the microwave. Mine nearly went. It's like caramel lava. Oopsies. This is whisk number 4. So far, 1 spill along the way. Wow, check this out. See, it's starting to thicken. We are almost there. I reckon maybe 1 more minute or 2. Not long at all. Okay, this is looking good. As you can see, it's starting to get quite thick. So this is more about the consistency as opposed to the color. I think I'm gonna go once more and then it'll be perfect. So this will be my 7th minute. Quick tip, don't try and taste it throughout this process because it's going to be boiling hot and it will scald your tongue. Hopefully this might be the last one. Looks good, nice and thick. So you can see here that this is a really nice thick consistency now, and it's come to a really nice light caramel color as well. So I'm really happy with that. I'm going to be using mine for my apple pie, but if you want to use yours straight away, you could do so as well. This will be fine in the fridge overnight, or if you're going to use it straight away, it can go straight onto desserts or fruit, whatever you're going to use it for. So enjoy. This was seriously the easiest caramel to make. So fast, it's just in the microwave, 1 ingredient. I just can't believe it. And it's delicious, so good. Wow, yum, can't stop eating it. Sweet, gooey, sugary, caramel goodness. This caramel sauce is absolutely beautiful. It's nice and thick. I'm also going to be using this recipe right here in my very own amazing apple pie. So check out that video too. Thanks so much for baking with me today. I hope that this recipe will save you a lot of time and you'll be able to cook caramel sauce far more than what you used to. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Le Bon Baker, for all tips, tricks and recipes for the home baker.